Good morning, guys. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the answer for the first one? So, the question is x square by. So, y is equal to x square divided by 1 minus x square, which implies y minus x square y is equal to x square. Okay. So, if I take the x square to the other side, x square into 1 plus y is equal to y. So, x square is equal to y divided by 1 plus y. So, x will be equal to square root of y divided by 1 plus y. So, tell me what are the values of y for which x is defined? What are the values of y for which x is defined? So, one thing is y should be greater than 0. Right? Y should be greater than 0. And y plus 1 should be greater than 0. So, what will be the answer? See, when y is greater than 0, y plus 1 also should be greater than 0. Or it can also be a scenario where y is less than 0, y plus 1 can be less than 0. Actually, it can be greater than or equal to. So, what will be the answer? So, if this is 0, this is minus 1. So, y can be less than minus 1 or y can be greater than minus 1. So, it should be greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. So, what will be the answer for this? So, it can be any real number, right? It can be any real number except C. The function itself is defined from R to 1 comma minus 1 is eliminated. Right? 1 comma minus 1 is not possible at all. So, it cannot take minus 1. So, from the real number system, you can remove minus 1 and 0. So, D should be the answer. Okay. So, what is the domain of cos inverse x? Minus 1 to 1. Which of the given values of x and y make the pair of matrices equal? No, they are not equal. Sorry. So they should be equal means 3x plus 7 should be 0 or 2 minus 3x should be 4. So 3x is equal to minus 2. So x will be minus 2 by 3. Here x is equal to minus 7 by 3. So what is happening? You're getting multiple values, right? So it is not possible to find. Okay. So if it's a singular matrix, then the value of x is. So singular means what should happen? The determinant of this should be equal to zero. So what will be the value of x?
Minus 25 by 30.
Correct. So y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square, then dy by dx is. Put x is equal to tan theta. Y is equal to tan inverse of.
So we can use x
X square
square as
as
tan
tan.
theta.
Yes, 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. So tan inverse of 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is tan of pi by 4 plus theta. So which itself will give you pi by 4 plus theta. This is y, which implies y is equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse of x square. Right? It's going to be y pi by 4 plus tan inverse of x square. So what will be the answer? Dy by dx will be equal to tan inverse of x square is going to be equal to the derivative of tan inverse of x square will be 2 by 1 plus x power 4 into derivative of x square is 2x. So answer will be 2x divided by 1 plus x power 4. Sixth, the maximum value of slope of the curve y is equal to minus x cube plus 3x square plus 12x minus 5 is. So y dash is equal to minus 3x square plus 6x plus 12. So this is the slope of curve. Okay, if I call the slope of curve as g of x, they're asking when is g of x maximum? Meaning I need to do g dash of x and equate it to 0. That will be equal to minus 6x plus 6 is 0, which implies x is equal to 1. Right? When you put x is equal to 1 here, y dash will be equal to minus 3 plus 6 plus 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Seventh one. Integral of x square e power x dx equals to. So e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2. This is the answer. The area of the region in square units bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 2 and x-axis. X square is equal to 4y is an upward parabola. X is equal to 2 and x-axis is this line. So this is 2 comma 0. This is 0 comma 0. So y will be equal to x square by 4. Integral of 0 to 2 x square by 4 dx, which is going to be x cube divided by 12 from 0 to 2, which is going to be 8 by 12 or 2 by 3. So solution of the differential equation x dy plus y dx is equal to 0 is. So x dy is equal to minus y dx. So dy by minus y is equal to dx by x, which implies minus log y is equal to log x plus log c. So bring this one to the left hand side. Sorry. Take this one to the right hand side and log c to the left hand side. So log x plus log y is equal to negative of log c. Right? So xy will be equal to minus c. I can write it as some log k. So is equal to constant. So answer will be xy is equal to constant. Tenth one. Find the angle between the two vectors, A vector and B vector, with magnitude √3 and √2 respectively, having A dot B is equal to √6. So cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector by magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector. So it is going to be √6 divided by √3 into 2. This will cancel this √2 times, and the whole answer will be cos theta is equal to 1 by √2, which implies theta is equal to pi by 4. Right? If the points A, -1, 3, 2, -4, 2, 2, 5, 5 lambda are collinear, then the value of lambda is. So -1, 3, 2, -4, 2, -2, 5, 5 lambdas determinant should be equal to 0. So when you equate it to 0, what are you going to get the value of lambda as? On solving this, you will get the value of lambda as 10. Maximize z is equal to 5x plus 3y subject to the constraints x plus y is less than or equal to 300. So when I put x is equal to 0, y is 300, y is equal to 0, x is 300. So this is 300, this is 300. $300, $300. Okay. So 2x plus y is less than or equal to 360. So put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 180. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 360. So this is 180, 0. And 0, 360. Okay. X is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Now tell me, x plus y is less than or equal to 300. So origin is included. Yes, it is. 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 360. X equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Origin is included. Yes, so this is going to be the case. So what is this point? So this point should be 60 and 240. Right? What are the corner points? The corner points are 180, 0, 0, 0, 0, 300, and 60, 240. Right? So 60, 240, when you substitute it, so I'll tell you, when you substitute 0, 0, what will you get in this 0? When you put 180, 0, you get 180 into 5, which is 900. 180 into 5 is, sorry, 180 into 5 is correct only, 900. Similarly, you substitute 300 there, 300 into 3 is again 900. When you substitute 60, 40, you will get 300 plus 720. So 300 plus 720 is 1020. So this is the value, which is maximum. So two independent events, A and B, have probability of A as 1 by 3 and probability of B as 3 by 4. What is the probability that exactly one of the two events, A or B, occur? Answer.
So 7 by 12.
7 by 12 is right. So how did you do this? Exactly one occurs
Only
means
one Yes,
A
sir.
can
P of
occur,
A dash, B.
A can occur, B can occur. Yeah, can you tell me? So probability of, what did you say?
Probability of A dash into P of B plus probability of B dash into P of A.
You mean into means you meant intersection, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So probability of A dash plus probability of B dash, sorry, B, right? A and B are independent events.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
P of A dash into P of B.
So P of A dash into P of B plus P of A into P of B dash. So P of A dash is how much? 2 by 3. P of B is 3 by 4 plus P of A is 1 by 3 into P of B dash is 3 by 4. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. It is 2. So 1 by 2 plus, no. It's not 3
So
by
P
4.
of
It is 1
B
by
dash is 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Yeah. So half plus 1 by 12. So it is 7 by 12. Correct. The function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x has a, so f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 3, equating it to 0, I get x is equal to 1. Is that right? Actually, you get x is equal to plus or minus 1. So there, my name minus 1. Okay, let's see. What is f double dash of x? It is 6x. So f double dash of 1 is 6. F double dash of minus 1 is minus 6. So what should be the answer? So this is positive. Hence, it has a local minima at x is equal to 1. So integral of root of 4 minus x square. Integral of root of a square minus x square. What is the formula? Integral of root of a square minus x square is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. Right. So x is how much in this? X is x only, x by 2 into root of 4 minus x square plus a square is 4 divided by 2 into sine inverse of 2 divided by, sorry, x divided by 2 plus c. This will get cancelled. X root of 4 minus x square divided by 2 plus 2 sine inverse of x by 2 plus c. Which option matches? X by 2 into minus plus 2 sine inverse of this one. 15b. Integral of 1 to e. See, this ln x means log x base e. It's called as ln x. You read it as ln x, which is basically log x base e. So 1 by 2 into log x between 1 to e plus 1 by 2 into, so I put log x as t, so I'll get t dt log x the whole square divided by 2 between 1 to e. So 1 by 2 into log e minus log 1 plus 1 by 2 into log e square minus log 1 square. It should be 4 here. So half into log e is 1 minus 0 plus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 0. So half plus 1 by 4 is going to be equal to 3 by 4. Seventeenth. General solution of dy by dx plus 3y is equal to e power minus 2x. So what is the integrating factor? e power integral of p dx. So e power 3x. Y into e power 3x is equal to integral of e power minus 2x into e power 3x dx plus c. So e power 3x into e power minus 2x is how much? That's going to be integral of e power x into dx plus c. So y into e power 3x is equal to e power x plus c. So y will be equal to e power minus 2x plus c into e power minus 3x. 17. So dy by dx minus y is equal to 1, y of 0 is equal to 1 is given by. So what is the solution for this? So dy divided by 1 plus y is equal to dx, which implies integrating on both sides, log 1 plus y is equal to x plus c. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Substituted, log 2 is equal to c. So answer will be log of 1 plus y is equal to x plus log 2. So it will be log of 1 plus y by 2 is equal to x, which implies one plus y by 2 is equal to e power x. So y is equal to 2 times e power x minus 1. So this will be the answer. Multiplying a vector by a scalar is a meaningful operation, yes. In uniform motion, speed remains constant, yes, but both of them have no connection. If L and N are the direction cosines of the line, then the equation of the line is given by x minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by F is equal to z minus z1 by N, correct? The vector equation of the line passing through the points minus 1, 0, 2, and 3, 7, 6 is given as r vector is equal to minus I cap plus 2k cap plus lambda times 4, 7, 4. There is a mistake here. So A is true, R is false. Did you understand what is the mistake there? 7 minus 0 should have been 7j cap. It is given as 4j cap. Niranjan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Make a note of, write down the heading in your in a paper as correct answer. அப்படின்னு எழுதிட்டு 20க்கு put it as C.
Okay, sir.
Show that the relation is parallel to on the set S of all straight lines in a plane is equivalence relation. Plus. So set of all straight lines in a plane are parallel. That is the meaning. So first one, if you see A, if you have straight lines in a plane, let's say L1, L2, and L3. So can I say a line is parallel to itself? L1, L1, L2, L2, so on exists. Hence, it is reflexive, right? If L1, L2 exists, then L2, L1 will also exist. Hence, it is symmetric. If L1, L2 and L2, L3 exist, implies L1, L3 also exist. Hence, it is going to be transitive. Hence, it's an equivalence relation. Show that the function f map from R to R, where f of x is equal to 1 plus x square, is many to 1 and into function. So B part, f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. See, wherever you have this quadratic part, it will definitely be a many to one function. So f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. If I solve it, then what will I get? F of x1 is equal to f of x2, which implies 1 plus x1 square is equal to 1 plus x2 square. So x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. Hence, it's a many to one function. Similarly, if I write 1 plus x square is equal to y, x square will be equal to y minus 1, x will be equal to plus or minus root of y minus 1. So since the function is mapped from R to R, y belonging to values which are from minus infinity to 1 do not have a pre-image existing in the domain set. Right? Hence, it is an into function. Similarly, what is cosecant inverse of root 2 or minus root 2? So it is going to be, so write down the positive value, it is going to be pi by 4 with a negative sign. So minus pi by 4 will be the answer. Answer for this. Prove that PQ is this thing is also equal to QP. So you need to just multiply P and Q, multiply Q and P, and the value comes out to be this value. So I hope that everybody knows how to solve this. Similarly, OR problem is also easy. X plus 2y is minus 4, minus y is 3, which implies y is equal to 3. Take this and substitute it here. X plus 6 is equal to minus 4, so x is equal to minus 10. So y is equal to minus 3, no? So when y is minus 3, x minus 6 is equal to minus 4, which implies x is equal to 2. So 2 comma minus 3 is going to be the answer. 24th, using matrix method, solve this problem. So what will you do? You'll do ax is equal to b, which implies x is equal to a inverse of b. Okay. So on solving this, you will get the value as x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. Solve the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x log x. So dy is equal to x log x times dx. Integrate on both the sides. So y will be equal to x log x. What is going to be the value? Then use isolate. Logarithm is first, algebraic is second. So first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function dx. This and this will get cancelled. So x square log x by 2 minus half into x square by 2 plus c. This will be the answer. Right. So differentiate the function cot inverse of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So you put x is equal to tan theta. So you'll have cot inverse of 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. It will be cot inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus theta. So cot inverse of this, can I write it as cot of pi by 2 minus of pi by 4 plus theta. So cot inverse of cot of pi by 2 minus theta. So it will be pi by 2 minus theta itself, or pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x. So this is y. So dy by dx will be equal to 0 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So I hope you got this answer. 1 by 1 minus x square.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
If I put x equal to cos square theta, will I get the same answer?
Yeah. Cos square theta, 1 plus cos square theta by 1 minus cos square theta formula will get.
Oh, sorry, sir, cos theta, sir.
You should get, no, you want me to do and show. So y is equal to cot inverse of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, correct? So cot inverse of this will be 2 cos square theta by 2 by 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 are gone. Up in over. Cot inverse of cos square theta by 2 and this will be cot square theta by 2. Correct? Huh? But cot square theta by 2 you are getting stuck, no?
Yes, sir.
So cot inverse of cot square theta by 2 does not give you a finite value. So that you generally do when you have square root here. Generally you substitute cos when you substitute when you have square root. Okay, this one I think it can still be solved. Plus cos theta. No, it doesn't work here. Did you do it in this method?
No, sir. I used the x equal to tan theta.
Okay. So you will use that cos theta only when you have the square roots. Because we should not have, whenever you have an inverse function, you should ensure that the trigonometric function inside has the degree as 1. Okay, it doesn't work. Find two positive numbers x and y such that their sum is 35 and the product x square into y power 5 is minimum. So x plus y is 35. X square into y power 5 is minimum. So y is equal to 35 minus x. Substitute it here. So x square into 35 minus x power 5. Let me call it as capital F of x. Tell me what is the value of f dash of x? X square into 5 into 35 minus x the whole power 4. Right? Into minus 1 plus 35 minus x the whole power 5 into 2x. This is equal to 0. So when you equate it, this will cancel this once. X will cancel this. So minus 5x plus 70 minus 2x is 0. So 7x is equal to 70. X will be 10. When x is 10, y will be 25. Okay. So 27th. Tell me what is the answer for 27th. Find the intervals in which f of x is equal to 2 times log of x minus 2 minus x square plus 4x plus 1 is increasing or increasing. So f dash of x is equal to 2 by x minus 2 minus 2x plus 4. This should be greater than 0. Okay. So 2 minus of 2x square minus 4x plus 8, the whole divided by x minus 2 is greater than 0. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So minus 2x square plus 8x minus 6 by x minus 2 is greater than 0. So if I take out minus 2 outside, x square plus minus 4x plus 6 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 the whole square should be greater than 0. So how much will this value be? Plus 3, no? So x minus 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 with minus 2 is greater than 0. So what are the checkpoints? 1, 2, and 3. When you substitute a value, okay, I'll do like this. X minus 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is less than 0. When you substitute a value less than 1, negative, negative, negative. So you'll get a negative value. Between 1 to 2, you'll get positive value. Between 2 to 3, you'll get a negative value. Between 3 to 4, 3 to infinity, you'll again get a positive value. So where all do you have negative value? X belonging to minus infinity to minus 1, union 2 to 3. So this is the place where the function is increasing. So other parts, it is going to decrease. Other parts, it is going to decrease. That is x belongs to 1 to 2 union 3 to infinity. Okay, done. So how to solve this? Find the integrating factor. E power integral of minus tan x dx. So this will be e power minus log of secant x. Right? This will be e power log of cos x. So the integrating factor is cos x. So y into integrating factor is equal to integral of integrating factor into the derivative of this, which is again going to be e power x, so into dx plus c. So can you integrate this and tell me what will be the answer? Anushri, what is the answer for e power of integral of e power x into cos x? Anushri, are you there? Okay. Niranjan?
Sir, yes, sir.
How to solve this?
Sir, UDV methods.
So I'll take I is equal to integral of e power x into cos x dx. So I is equal to, what will you get? First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function, that is sin x, into integral of second function, right? So I will be equal to e power x into cos x minus, tell me how to do for this one. What is the answer? First function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function. Oh, derivative here should have been minus sin x, sorry. Say the minus sign comes out, it will be plus here. Minus integral of derivative of sin x is cos x into e power x dx. Right, this integral of e power x dx is I. This will come to the other side. So 2i will be equal to e power x into sin x plus cos x, which implies I is equal to e power x into sin x plus cos x, the whole divided by 2. So y cos x is equal to e power x by 2 into cos x plus x c. Okay. 29th, what is the answer? Find the area bound by the curve. Y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to 2a and y axis. So what is the answer? So y square is equal to 4x is something like this. Y is equal to 2a and y axis is going to be something like this. So how will you frame the integral? Integral of 0 to 2a y square by 4a times dy. So integrate and tell me what is the answer.
So 2a square by 3 square is
2a square by 3 square. 1 minute. I close the solution sheet. Two a square by 3 square, I have told.
no, so
2a.
2a square by 3.
That's right. 2a square by 3 is the answer. So determine the area under the curve y is equal to root of a square minus x square included between x is equal to a and x is equal to 0. Basically, it's a curve like this. So integral of 0 to a root of a square minus x square dx. So you have a ready-made formula. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a between 0 to a. So what will be the answer? So this will come out obviously as pi a square by 4 because it is the quarter part of a circle. Right. So 30th, what is the answer? Two marbles are drawn successively from a box containing 3 black and 4 white marbles. Find the probability that both the marbles are black. The first marble is not replaced before the second draw. Tell me. It's a very, very, very simple problem. You can do it in one step. Find the probability that both the marbles are black. So first answer will be 3 by 7 into because it's a successive operation. Now, how many black balls are left out when there is no replacement? It is 2, which is left out of 6. Answer will be 1 by 7. That is the answer. Actually, it's a very simple problem. You just need to be clear with your steps. That's it. Find the vector equation of the line. Also find the Cartesian equation of the line. Vector equation is r vector is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 7k cap plus lambda times minus 2i cap minus 5j cap minus 13k cap. Minus 13, this plus 13k cap. This will be the answer. So you can also write x minus 3 divided by minus 2 is equal to y minus 4 divided by minus 5 is equal to z plus 7 divided by 13. right? I'm writing all these things in one step because I'm assuming you know what I'm doing, right? This is A vector. This is B, sorry, A vector. This is B vector. So R vector will be equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector minus A vector. That is what I, okay, with that I got the vector form, and from there I took R vector as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So x minus 3 divided by minus 2 is equal to y minus 4 divided by minus 5 is equal to z plus 7 divided by 30. So this is also a simple problem. What should you do? Put sin x is equal to t. You will get the value as integral of dt by 1 plus t into 2 plus t. So when you do partial fractions, what will you get? Integral of integral of 1 by 1 plus t dt minus integral of 1 by 2 plus t dt. So log of 1 plus t minus log of 2 plus t. So log of 1 plus sin x minus log of 2 plus sin x. What is the general solution, guys? Integrating factor is e power minus x. Correct? So y into e power minus x is equal to integral of e power minus x into cos x dx. This is exactly similar to the problem that we did previously. So on solving this, you should get the answer as y into e power minus x is equal to e power minus x by 2 into sin x minus cos x. So you remember I did the problem here. So same approach, except x you have minus x. So here what will happen is sin x will be as it is, cos x will become minus, and this will be a minus. That's it. So follow the same steps, you'll get the answer. Right? So plus c. So y will be equal to sin x minus cos x by 2 plus c into e power x. The scalar product of a vector with unit vector along the sum of these two is equal to 1. So what is b vector plus c vector? It is going to be 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap. Let me call this as d vector. So what is d cap? So d cap is 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap, the whole divided by square root of 2 plus lambda the whole square plus 36 plus 4. Right? So they're saying a vector dot d cap is equal to 1. So that will be 2 plus lambda plus 6 minus. So basically it is the same vector. 2 plus lambda plus 6j minus 2k cap divided by, you will get this thing, root of 2 plus lambda the whole square plus 40 is equal to 1. Take this to the other side. So 2 plus lambda plus 4 is equal to 2 plus lambda the whole square plus 40. Oh, sorry, squaring on both sides, yes. So 2 plus lambda the whole square plus 16 plus 8 into 2 plus lambda is equal to 2 plus lambda the whole square plus 40. So 2 plus lambda the whole square and 2 plus lambda the whole square gone. So 8 into 2 plus lambda is equal to 24. This goes 3 times. So lambda is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to 1. Find the value of lambda and hence find the unit vector along B plus C. So take that lambda value and substitute it here. You will get the answer as 3i cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap, the whole divided by root of 9 plus 40, that is 49 under the root is 7. This answer. Okay. This one also I gave it in the previous exam. I think it's a repeated problem. You can have a look there for the OR option. See, shortest distance, you know the formula. What is the shortest distance formula, guys?
T is
B1
equal
vector
to
cross B
Yeah, A2 vector minus A1 vector.
dot B1 vector cross B2 vector by modulus of B1 vector cross B2 vector.
How much is the answer that you got? On doing this, you will
So
get the
3
answer.
by root 19.
Perfect. That's right. So get 3 by root 19. Okay. So how to solve this problem? 36th. To construct a garden using 200 feet of fencing, we need to maximize which of the following? Volume, area, perimeter.
Area. So
It's area. That's right. So if X denotes the length of the side of the garden perpendicular to a brick wall and Y denotes the length of the side parallel to the brick wall, then find the relation representing the total amount of fencing wire. So this is how the fencing is put actually. For the ground, they don't generally put it, right? So X denotes the length of the side. X denotes the length of the side of the garden perpendicular to the brick wall. So, okay. So this is X and this is X. And the one which is parallel to the brick wall is Y. So what are they saying? 2x plus y is equal to how much?
200.
200 feet. So area of the garden as a function of x. So how will you represent the area of the garden as a function of x?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me that.
Sir, we're considering a rectangle, sir. So it should be 2x plus 2y is equal to 200, sir.
2y varadi ana ground up you don't put the fencing vada. இப்ப இந்த இடத்துல நீ fencing போடுவியா? Is there any use of it? Kaushik, புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது?
Yes, sir.
So ground up we don't put the fencing, right? It's only for the sides as well as the top. Or football goal post imagine பண்ணிக்கோ. That is like a fencing only, no? Is there any fencing at the bottom where the goalkeeper stands? இல்ல.
No, sir.
அதுதான் reason.
Okay, sir.
சரியா? So area of x into y ன்னு வருதா? So x into y is the area. So how do you write it?
Right, y as 200 minus 2x.
So x into 200 minus 2x ன்னு எழுதலாமா? So it is going to be 200x. 200x minus 2x square. That is the answer. What about the fourth one? What is the value of x for which area is maximum? Differentiate this. 200 minus 4x is 0. X will be 50. Correct? 50 feet, it will be maximum. What is the maximum area of the garden? Take this 50 and substitute it here. How much will you get?
5,000 square feet.
So 50 into 200 minus 100. So 5,000 square feet will be the highest. That's it. It's simple. So what is the answer for 37th one? So box 1 contains 1 white, 3 black and 2 red balls. Box 2 contains 2 white, 1 black and 3 red balls, and 3 contains 3 white, 2 black and 1 red ball. One box is chosen at random and 2 balls are drawn with replacement. right? If E1, E2, E3 be the events that the balls are drawn from box 1, box 2, and box 3 respectively, E be the event that the balls drawn are one white, one red. And answer the following question. What is the occurrence of event E given that the balls drawn are from box 1? So what is the probability of E known that you have taken the ball from the first box? How much is that? And drawn without replacement. So how to solve this, guys? So you can take a red ball because E describes about one white and one red. So take out the probability of one red and one white, or probability of white and red. Why do you think I wrote it twice? Because of the word without, with replacement. Okay. So when you do it with replacement also, the order matters, right? So what is the probability of red from the first one? 2 out of 6 into what is the probability of white? 1 out of 6. Or probability of white is 1 out of 6 and probability of red is 2 out of 6. So it is 2 divided by 36 plus 2 divided by 36. Answer will be 4 out of 36. That's it. Similarly, using the same logic, I'll give you a minute time. Tell me what is the answer for the second one. Probability of what is the probability of E given E2? Fast. Answer, Kaushik.
So 10
Answer.
by 36.
Yeah, 10 varum. See,
Sorry,
probability
sir.
of
12 by 36.
12 by 36 is how much? 1 by 3. No? So probability of E given E2 is 2 by 6 into 3 by 6. Or 3 by 6 into 2 by 6. Basically, this thing getting added to itself. It is 6 by 36 plus 6 by 36, which is going to be 1 by 3. Similarly, what is the answer for the third one? Fast.
Sir, 1 by 6.
1 by 6 வருதா? நான் check பண்றேன். Did you write this? 3 by 6 into 1 by 6. So 3 by 6 into 1 by 6 is how much? 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 into 2, 1 by 6. Correct. Correct. So if what is the sum of all these three? You already found each value. So what is the answer in the first one? This answer is 1 by how much is the answer for probability of E given even? I didn't write the value. What is the value? Two by 6 into 1 by 6. So 3 by 6. 1 by 9 varma. So 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. How much is that? 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. LCM is 36. Right? So 4 plus 12 plus 9. 13. It is going to be 25 out of 36. Is that right? So 4 plus 12 plus 9, 6. 18. It is 22 out of 36, which is 11 out of 18. Right? Fifth one, what is the probability that the balls drawn from the box 2, given that event E has already occurred? See, whenever they say this already occurred in one, okay, you need to start thinking in terms of Bayes theorem. So what is the probability that the ball is drawn from box 2 given that the event E has already occurred. So what is the probability of E given E2? Probability of E given E2 into probability of E2 divided by sum of all the probabilities E given EI, where I is equal to 1 to 3. So what is the probability of E given E2 according to the way we found out already? It is 1 by 3 into what is the probability of E2, that is what is the probability of you choosing the box 2, that is 1 out of 3 because 3 boxes are there, divided by 11 by 18. Okay, so 1 by 9 divided by 11 by 18, this will cancel this twice, so 2 by 11 will be the answer. One by 3 into 1 by 3, 1 by 9 by Niranjan, you're there?
Yes, sir.
The corrected answers in Sonella.
Yes, sir.
Fifth one, idla problem number 37 la fifth one write the answer as 2 by 11.
Yes, sir.
It's given as 6 by 11. 2 by 11 is the answer.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. 38th, I hope you would have solved it. There's a repeated problem, except the fact that at that time I gave you options. Now the options are not there. Do you remember? Can you check out and tell me what is the answer for the first one? What is the cost of one polythene bag? So you will get 20x plus 30y plus 40z is equal to how much? Frame the equations. 20x plus 30y plus 40. Solra.
Is the answer 1, 5 and 2, sir? Advise it.
1, 5, 2 correct on order. First frame the equation so that others can also understand. 20x plus 30y plus 40z is equal to YOLO.
250.
Correct. 30x plus 40y plus 20z is equal to YOLO. 270. 40x plus 20y plus 30z is equal to 200.
200.
Right? On solving this, you will get the value of x as 1, y as 2, and z as 5. So what is the cost of polythene bag? 1. What is the cost of one handmade bag? Handmade on the second, then so it is 2. What is the cost of newspaper bag? That is going to be 5. Keeping in mind the social condition, which shopkeeper is better?
Sir, why is
Shyam
5, I think, sir?
இல்லடா இதுதான் இருக்குங்க. I don't know why is 5.
Y is 5 and Z is 2, sir.
சரி, ஒன்னு பண்ணலாம், இத சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணி பார்த்துடலாம். I'm not solving it. 20 plus 60 plus 40 into 5 is 200. Correct? If I use 125, அப்ப இது 250 வருதா? வரல இல்ல? It's not coming, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what you told is right. This is 152 order. 152. Now is that working?
Yes,
So
sir, it
20
works.
plus 150 plus 80. 230. Now it works. So answer வந்து 152 இருக்கணும். Correct? What is the, so one polythene bag வந்து 1, handmade bag வந்து 5, and newspaper and envelopes வந்து 2. Niranjan, again make a note. 38th
Yes, sir.
second and third மாத்தி போடு.
Done, sir.
Done. Keeping in mind the social conditions, which shopkeeper is better? So who is better? Ramlal, Shamlal, Ghansham. Answer. If people didn't do this. Okay.
Ghansham.
So what is the fifth? எப்படி சொல்ற Ghansham the social conditions based பண்ணி? You did the fourth one சொல்றியா fifth one சொல்றியா?
Fourth, sir.
Fourth எப்படி சொல்ற?
Because he spent less money, so I said so.
But அப்படி கிடையாது. Can you look at the number? Okay, sorry. அது விட்டு fifth one answer and I'll come to the fourth one. Fifth one, what is the answer? Keeping in mind the environmental condition, which shopkeeper is better? That is obviously Ramlal. Yeah. Why did I use the word environmental conditions? Because he is the one who's using less number of polythene bags. Okay. In a similar way, keeping the social conditions, which shopkeeper is better? It is Shamlal. ஏன்னா social conditions see handmade bags he is the one who is spending more. He is concentrating more of handmade bags than the polythene and the newspaper ones. Okay, it's like he is creating employment and kuda sollala. So that is why he is better. Purida. So social conditions means how much is he contributing to the society. So handmade is something like you create an employment. So you have to have someone, newspaper and all, newspaper and polythene, you can actually get it generated with the help of machines. Okay. So that is the answer. So I hope Niranjan, you made this change, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So send all those answers to the admin number. Send it to
Okay.
Bhaskar. And you get the link from one number and the updates related to the question answer paper corrections from one number, right?
Yes, sir.
Send the message to both of them and tell these are all the questions. Raghav sir informed that the corrections are to be made.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's it from my side. And the previous test paper, I think I have to discuss 5 more questions or something. Maybe I'll do that on some other day. Okay. Within the upcoming week, I'll try to complete it. Is that clear? Right. So that's it from my side, guys. We'll wind up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.